All right, so if we're needing to ever update the Stream Deck, we just need to open up the Stream Deck software, which is this icon here. And from there, everything's pretty much drag and drop, and it kind of explains what it's doing inside of it. So in this case, if we need to update this for some reason, we can click into it and see this is a multi-action, so it's going to start with this process. And let's read what this process does. Someday when it loads. This one's a delay, so that's basically the 10-second delay to allow the button to remove. So basically this is add the name that's on number 1, hold it for 10 seconds, remove the name. That's how that command works. So I typically, all I do is if I need to add, say we have 9, 10, 12 people who are going to be speaking on a given day, we can right click here, do copy, and then paste. And then we come right here. This is gonna go slow because reasons. But you're gonna change the target, the scene from 7 to 10, 11, 12, whatever scene number you got. I'm going to go ahead and delete this scene because we don't need it now. But yeah, you've got all these other controls and stuff too, so if you are interested in learning how to create some, I recommend you reading up and figuring that out, but not doing it on the main profile. So what I would do is come over here and just go into guest, and here you can play around and do whatever you want, and it's not going to affect the church. But also keep in mind, yeah, you want to come back over to this, and this is our live stream setup for the church. So next, if we need to do updates, which I do recommend us keeping things up to date because Facebook, Restream, all of them update themselves and mess things up, you're going to want to do check for updates and just check to see. Right now we're up to date, so we're good to go. Profiles on this side, here's this. This is the indicator. It says it's the default profile. So that way, anytime you close Stream Deck and reopen it, it's always going to go straight back to here. But if for some reason we got a wedding or something else that we're creating a setup for, we can create a new one dedicated to it without messing up the church's one. I do have a backup for this, so if you do export, you can come over here and you can see I've already got it created, so I'm not going to make any changes. Actually, I am going to reline over this because I have made a couple changes. So we hit save, replace it, and now this profile is backed up. In the event that we somehow mess it up, we can always reflush it, flash it, and bring everything back to where I last had it. Thank you.